Hello everyone, it's Cash here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the updated version of my Minecraft scripting tutorial where I showed you guys how to create UI action forms. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to update your modules and stuff and how to script and the basics of it. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to make sure you have Bridge downloaded, and this is the native build or the desktop app, and I'm on Windows 64 or Windows 10 64-bit. So download that. I'll leave the link in the description. And once you have this all downloaded, you're just gonna go up here, go to project, and then new project. And now I'm actually just gonna turn off resource pack, and we're only gonna use the behavior pack for this tutorial. And experimental gameplay, I'm gonna just turn on beta APIs so we can use the scripting API. Then in individual files, I'm just going to turn these off because we don't need those. And then the project name will just be scripting tutorial, and we'll do V2. And the project description will be learn how to script in Minecraft Bedrock. And then the project prefix is what your project is going to be going by in Minecraft itself. So I'm just going to name this scripting. And basically what this is the thing that has Minecraft and then diamond. So Minecraft right here would be the prefix. But you can't have it as Minecraft because that's already one, so you have to do whatever else. So I'll just do scripting. The project author will just be me, Cash. And then check this first one that says add pack name / description directly to the manifest. And what that's going to do is it's going to add the name of the project to the manifest. Alright. Now you can press create. And once you do that, we're going to create a new world in Minecraft. And I'm just going to name this world scripting tutorial V2. And then I'm going to go to cheats, turn them on, put it on always day. And then in available behavior packs, we're just going to turn on scripting tutorial V2. And then, last step, this is the most important step, go to experiments, and then turn on beta APIs. And make sure you turn on all the experiments that you put while creating the project. Right here, turn them on. Okay, so now that we turn on beta APIs, we can go ahead and create the world. And now, as you can see, we already have an error. You will see a lot of those. So let's go ahead and see what that error was. We're going to go to create, content log history, and I'm actually just going to delete the old logs because those are the old files. And if you don't have this, turn these two on right here. And it says right here at the bottom, scripting tutorial v2 1.0.0 does not contain main file main.js. And that's what happens when your main.js file is empty. So what we're going to do is just add some to it. We'll just do console.warn, and we'll do script is running. Now, if you do anything besides console.warn and console.error, it will not work. Alright, so we're just going to reload. And as you can see, we have issues again. So this is actually just module issues right here, and it's actually super simple to fix. So let's look at the content log. And it says version conflict, requested that, but Minecraft Server UI requested Minecraft Server 1.1.0 beta. So what that means is we have to go to our manifest, go to dependencies, and then change this right here, Minecraft Server module, to 1.1.0 beta. Now if we reload, we have the same issue. And the reason for that is because when you edit your manifest, you have to rejoin. As you can see now, it says that the script is running in the content log. So if we check that right here, you can see that everything's fixed and we're ready to begin scripting. So let's go ahead and get started scripting. What we're going to do is remove that line, and we're going to import our module. So we're going to go to manifest, go to dependencies, open this one that says Minecraft server, and we're going to copy that by right clicking, or not right clicking, just pressing Control C. And then we're going to go to main.js and type import asterisk as server from, and then put quotations, and then paste in that path. And what I'm going to explain to you what this does. So import is importing a new module. Asterisk is importing all of it. As is basically saying that you're naming it. Server is what we are naming it. You can actually change this to whatever you want the variable name to be. From is the path. So it's just getting the path. And then we just do that. Which is the Minecraft server path. And I'm going to show you guys the content, or not content logs, the script API. So here it is right here. I'm going to leave a link to this down below. And what this does is you can see the manifest details. And we can look at all this, and it shows you all the classes. And one of those classes, if we scroll all the way down here, is world. And it has a bunch of really good stuff. So let's go ahead and declare a new variable as that. So we're going to do constant, which means it can't be changed, is world is equal to server.world. Alright, and we can press Control S to save. And then we can press world, and then you do a period to see all of the other stuff. So there's a bunch of stuff. So let's see if, what if we want to get all the players and then run code for it? Well, we can do that. So we'll do world.getAllPlayers, and then we'll do dot for each, because it's an array and you can do this. And we'll do player. Actually, no, you do function like this, and you do it like that, and we can do player. And then we can do console.warn player.name. And now if we reload by typing /reload, and this is a really important command to learn because you need this to reload all your scripts. So you type reload, and as you can see, it shows our name right there. And if there's more players in the game, it'd show everybody's name. So now we're going to make this more organized. We're going to put a function up here. And then this will be new player. And we'll do player right here as the parameter. And you can also just copy this script right here. And what we're going to do is do constant. Actually, not constant. We'll just do let players equals world.players. Or actually get all players. And that's a function. And we'll put this up here by world. And then we'll do world, or actually my bad, players.for each new player. And what this does is for every single element in the array, we're going to connect this function to it. And this code will run. And then what if you want like a new player that joined? Well, there's a thing called events. So world.events.playerjoin.subscribe. That's how you connect the event. And then you connect the new player function. So world.events, and this is accessing all the events that we can get from the world. And then .playerjoin, that's the player joined event. We connect that with .subscribe, so it's listening to it. And then that's like post notifications. So you guys should turn on post notifications on my channel and subscribe. And yeah, and then you can see more videos like this. But we're going to subscribe, and then whenever it listens to it and it sees the events fired, we connect this function. And this would automatically connect the player variable. Okay, so now let's see, what if we want to check if the player is crouching. And then if they're crouching, we want to explode. Alright, this is really cool. So what we'll do is we'll do server, actually system runtime is also a thing. I forgot to use it. I'll show you guys in the next one. But for this tutorial, we're just going to do world.events.tick.subscribe, and the tick event runs every second, or every like millisecond. And then we'll do callback, so we'll do tick is equal to, and we connect it with this operator, the equal sign and the arrow. And then we'll do brackets like this to connect the void, which is a function. And then we'll do tick.current tick, and you can see all that stuff, but we're not actually going to use that. We're just going to do an if statement, so if player dot is crouching, or no, is shifting, or actually is sneaking. And you can see this right here if we go to this in the documentation, and we scroll up and we find player. And we can find that right here. And we can see is sneaking. That's a boolean. See, that's a property of a player. Okay, so if they are, then we're going to make particles, I guess, or we'll just like splash potions of harming. So the way we can do this is we can run a command. So we do player.run command async, and that is also a property, or more like a method. Down here, run command async. This is a method, and right here you can see this, and it just shows that you can run the command. And then it also returns a promise, so you could do like dot then, and then that shows the result. So what we'll do is we'll just run command, and it's using the player to run the command. It doesn't matter if you have operator, it's just going to run it on the player, no matter what. And what we're going to do is we're going to run command async, summon, actually we're not going to do this. We're going to do something even better. We're going to use that still. We're just going to do say I am sneaking. And then below that, though, we're going to create a new explosion. So new, let explosion is equal to world dot, it was world dot get dimension. So you have to get the player dimension. So we'll do player dot dimension dot create explosion. And then as you can see, it says right here. So we'll get the location, so we'll just do player.location. That's also a property. For, and then we'll just leave that blank. And actually, we don't even have to define this. We'll just do that. Okay, now we can reload. And what happens if we crouch? We got an issue, main.js 10. Looks like the issue was this right here. So we'll do new server.explosion. No. What is the issue? Server.location? I think it's like this. Yeah, there's a lot of different like positions and stuff that you have to change. I don't like that. But it's okay. That should work now. When it says unknown type like that, it's just weird. And then it says I am sneaking, so it is working. Must be called with new. So, oh yeah, we have to do new because it's a new variable. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Okay, so that works. Now, what if we want to add a debounce? So we don't just like do that like every second or every millisecond. So we'll do let debounce is equal to false, and we'll do let last tick equals 0. So we'll do if tick minus last tick is greater than 5, or actually we'll do like 5,000. Then tick equal or last tick equals tick dot current tick, and we'll do right here. And actually we can just remove the debounce. and we'll paste that here. Press Control S to save, and we're gonna reload. Oh yeah, and last tick equals undefined. We'll do if not last tick equals tick dot current tick. And this will basically just set the tick variable to the current tick. So we're crouching. Last tick equals tick dot current tick. So it looks like our issue with this is that we aren't really like getting the real tick. So what we'll do here is we'll just player dot run. Actually, we'll just do console dot warn last tick. Reload. 15984. And it's always saying that. Okay, that's kind of weird. Well, we're never really setting the last tick. Oh, that's our issue. So we're not even setting the last tick. So if we set it at the end, we should be good. And then it looks like he's going a lot like smaller than I thought. So what we're gonna actually do is we're gonna change, instead of 5,000, we're gonna do 20 is 1 second. So if we'll do 100, and we'll do greater than or equal to 100. Slash reload. And then the last tick should be when we last crouched. So, okay, yeah, we got this, okay. If not, or if last tick, or tick dot current tick minus last tick is greater than or equal to 100, then we'll do this. Okay. And then we'll do last tick. We'll do let last tick equals 0. And then last tick, actually we'll just make this undefined, equals tick dot current tick. And then we'll do oh my god. Okay, let's do this again. Alright, it works. Now it's waiting a minute. And now it works. So you can do it every 5 seconds. So if I just want to spontaneously combust every 5 seconds, like a creeper, die sheep. And as you can see, I can just do it every second. So come here, cow. Boom. And I just spontaneously combust, and I'm a creeper. So yeah, this is like just a basic example of scripting. Sorry that took so long to figure out. Just, you know, weird math, weird code. This could definitely be done a lot better, but it's okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and create a panel. So what if you say you want to use an item to open the panel? So we're gonna import the server UI. So we'll do import as UI from @minecraft/server-UI, and this is importing the UI module. So we'll do we're gonna create a new form. So we'll do constant form is equal to new UI.form and action form data. You can also use model form data, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this one. And we'll do form.body or actually there's no body for this one. We'll just do title, and we'll do poll, and then form dot, we can add a text field like, how do you like scripting in my MCPE? And then form dot show, and we'll do that for every player. So players dot for each, and then we'll do function player, and we'll do form dot show player dot then, and we'll do result, and we do result dot form values. I'm going to explain what all this means, and then we'll do console dot warn form values 0, or no, yeah, just 0. Okay, so how does this work? Let's explain this. So we're creating a new form, so we define the form by creating a new form by calling this UI.modelFormData method, or actually this is a constructor. And what this does is it creates the model form data, and you can see more information on that right here. If we scroll up here and go to Minecraft Server UI, model form data, and if we look at the constructor method, we can see the new model form data constructor. Okay, and then let's go to the next line of code. We get the title, and that's also a method. So what that is we this builder method sets the title for the model dialog, and we'll see all this in a second. Text field, that just creates a new text field. We can see that right here, and you can also see that we have placeholder text and default value. So we can also do like this. We'll do answer, and the default value will be that. Okay, and then players.forEach, this just, we already did this before. This is creating a new function for every player, and it's running this, and actually just sets the callback to this function. And then we're showing the form with this method, the form.show, to the player, and then it has a promise, which is the model form response, and we do dot then, and then results, and we set it to a void, and the void is a function right here. So this like runs whenever, like it connects the result to that. Basically how this is doing that right here at players.forEach. That's exactly what it's doing. And then we're doing let form values, which defines form values as the result form values. And then we're console.warning form value 0, because form values is a table, or actually an array. And the form value 0 is the text field answer. So let's check this out. If we do /reload, as you can see, we get this, and it says, how do you like scripting in MCPE? And if I just put it's great, as you can see up here, it says it's great. Awesome. So this is pretty cool, but what if we want to not use this? What if we want to only do this whenever there is like a player uses an item? So we can do world.events.before item use, and then we can do .subscribe, and then we can do show form, or actually we'll just do result is equal to this, and we can do result dot item, and we'll do if result item is equal to, and then Minecraft paper. So if we use it on the paper, if we use a paper item, then form.show, and then we'll do result.sender, or source. And what this does is it checks, okay, so we're subscribing to the event, like you should do down below. And what this does is it connects the function right here, and we get result. That's like the promise it's returning. We set this to a void. The void runs an if statement, and it checks if the item name or item ID is equal to Minecraft paper. If it is, then we show. Oh, actually, we did, oh, never mind, that works. I think, right? Is it type ID? I think it's just item. I think we use type ID, actually. Okay. Let's see if this works. We're going to give ourselves a paper. And it works. So yeah, you have to use type ID, because if you just get the item, that's how you get items. So how do you like scripting in MCPE? I like it. Alright, sick. So it works. And then what we could do is dot then, and then we'll do onFulfilled, and we'll do if onFulfilled dot form values 0 is not equal to this, or like blank, then what we'll do is we'll name, actually, here's what we'll do instead. This is pretty cool. So we'll do result.item dot set name tag equals onFulfilled form values 0, and then we'll rename the paper. So it says, how do you like scripting in PC? I like it. And actually, I don't think you can set the name tag. So I think instead what you have to do, you can set lore. Yeah, but you're not able to just like rename it like that. So we'll do just set lore. And we'll do that. So we'll do I like it. And if we look at the lore, oh no, it's not working. That's really weird. I thought you were able to do this. Is there something we did wrong? Let's see. Form values 0, right? That should work. And then just to like make sure we're doing it, we'll do console.warn onFulfilled form values 0 slash reload. I like it a lot. Yeah, it's working. I guess that the method just doesn't work. Anyways, that's pretty cool. We could also make like a Minecraft name tag, and then we'll do like you could do like result.item.name tag is equal to onFulfilled dot form value 0. So you could do it like this, and then the form you could be new name, and then we could do rename name tag, and then the title will just be form renamer. So now if we reload this, and then now we give ourselves a name tag. Oh yeah, and it's underscore name tag, like that. So as you can see, it says this, rename name tag, new name, and we'll do cache, or just like scripting, or something cool. And it just doesn't work. I don't know why. Maybe if we could do like, we just create a new item by doing like new server.item stack item type. Oops, let me just, and we'll do server.item type new server.item type. Let's look at this. And then amount 1, data 0. So let's check the new item type right here. So we'll go to scripting API, server, and then we'll look for item type. And it has an ID property. So we actually have to put it out here. Item type.ad equals Minecraft name tag. And then let item equals new server item stack. And then item type 10. And then we'll do result.item dot we could do like, we could just like get rid of it. Like, can we do like item destroy or something like that? Maybe result dot source dot get component, and then we can actually create the player file. That's like what it's used for. Where's the, it's good. Whatever, we won't really do that. We'll just like, there's a way to do it. Anyways, that's basically it for this video, guys. I'm gonna leave the source code for this down below. Like that, you can just change that. Also, what we could do is like, actually, here's what we'll do. We'll do let entity or entities equals result.sender or result.source dot get entities from viewport, and we'll do entity 0 if entity 0, then entity 0 dot name tag equals onFulfilled dot form or onFulfilled dot form values 0. Now if we did this /reload, now let's go try it out on the skeleton. Oh my god, he's gonna shoot me. Okay, let's go over here and try it out on this chicken. So we'll just name this chicken stupid chicken. And he ran away. Come here, you stupid chicken. Did it work? Work! Okay. We'll do it on this guy. Doesn't work. Again. Maybe it's form values 1. I think I'm doing this wrong. Are you serious? Come here. Alright guys, whatever. That's it for this video. I don't know why this isn't working. It's really weird. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.